Ingredients: oat, milk, banana, honey, optional, only for babies 1 year plus, pineapple puree, also optional. If you have been following our series on food that can help with better sleep, we already established that banana, pineapple, and milk are excellent food sources that contain or can sleep hormone melatonin. If you haven't seen the previous videos in this series and would like to know more, check the links below for the recipes and information. Now, let's talk about oat. Oat has a considerable amount of melatonin, the hormone that can help with sleep. Next is honey. A recent study concluded honey effectively improved sleep quality. The effectiveness was attributed to tryptophan, which may promote the formation of melatonin. Please note, honey is only for children 1 year plus. Giving honey to children below 1 can result in botulism, a condition that can be fatal. Now, let's proceed with our recipe. Blend the oats. You do not need to blend the oats for older babies already having chunky textures.